Screen recording on a MacBook is a useful feature for creating tutorials, recording presentations, or simply capturing your screen activity. In this video, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions for screen recording on a MacBook Air using the screenshot utility. So if you want to record something on your MacBook or MacBook Air, you simply click Command, Shift and 5 at the same time. Okay, there you see few options. You see the option record entire screen. Then you will record the entire screen. You can select the option record selected portion, so you can choose what you want to record. So let's say we want to record this part of the screen. Then we click on records. Okay. And if you want to stop your records, you click on the stop button here, click, and then you see your saved record here, and you can choose where you want to save your record. You click Command Shift 5 options and save to desktop is okay. But you can also save the documents, mail, messages. And you can choose to set a timer for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or none. And that's it. That's how you record your screen.